what is an individual? It's like having a meal, you can enjoy a meal only when you have a good appetite, also a good meal. Your experience of that eating is the best. Suppose you have an excellent meal being prepared, and imagine you have diarrhea and you are stomach upset. You have nauseation for food. Can you enjoy that meal? Now, today, everyone's life has become like that. What does it say? We have put in so much of effort to prepare the ground, prepare the meal so good. But the tragedy is what? There's no appetite. What do you mean there is no appetite, sir? At the age of 40, the fellow says, I'm going for voluntary retirement. Why? If I go for one more week to job, I collapse. I break down. Relationships breaking down. Individuals breaking down. Social things breaking down. Everywhere there is a breakdown. Why there is a tremendous breakdown? And each one of us blame something other than me. It's because of that. It's because of this. It's because of that. It is because of him, because of her, because of this, because of that. If you cannot point anything in this direction, you immediately point upwards. It's because of him. That him could be anything. You can say Vastu, him. You can say Graha, him. If you don't believe in, people say Shani, is not good now. And now 2-3 days back, we had this Rahu Kedu, shifting happened. Oh my God. How many fellows have been inquiring? Now you don't have any control over Rahu or Ketu. He's not going to be listening to you. So what do you say? Any problem you go through, you put a blame on him and say this is because of Shani, it is because of this fellow. If you don't know all these names, you generally call one word, God or government. Either you blame God or you blame government for every problem of yours. But one thing for sure, what? It is not because of me. Nowhere we are willing to acknowledge, for my problems, I am the cause. Why? Because total ignorance here. That's why first thing he does is he says, move on to the study of what is the mechanism of individual and understand how this individual is interacting with the world to create that experience.